In this video, we will learn how to design a YouTube thumbnail in Canva and upload it on social media using Canva. We will start from scratch with a blank sheet. Let's see what we can create. Let's start the video and create an amazing thumbnail on Canva for YouTube. The complete course of Canva is ongoing, and we are making some amazing designs. I am sharing some incredible tips with you that you can use on Canva. If you haven't seen the videos yet, you can find the complete Canva playlist in the description box, where all the related videos are available. Let's move on to Canva. Now, we have come to Canva. Here, we will create thumbnails for YouTube. In the search bar, type YouTube thumbnail and then hit enter. You will see a lot of templates you can choose from. For example, I want this thumbnail template, so click on it and then click on the Customize this template button. It will open in a new tab, and you can customize this thumbnail according to your preference. As you can see, I changed the text of this thumbnail. You can also do the same, but as promised, I will design from scratch, so delete all these elements. First, add a background. Go to the elements, search for background in the picture section, and you will see many backgrounds. Choose any of them. For now, I choose this one. Click on it, then right-click on the image and select Set as Background. It will automatically be set as the background. Now, I want to add a girl with a surprised reaction. To do that, go to the elements and search for Surprised Girl, then choose any image you like. Add the girl's PNG and adjust it within the frame. After adjusting the image, I want to add a shadow behind the girl's image. Go to the elements and search for blue light, then add the blue light and adjust it behind the image. Next, do some color correction. Select the image and on the top bar, click on Edit Image, then click on Adjust to perform some color correction on this image. After the color correction, it's time to add more elements. In the Elements option, I search for elements, and from there, I add some elements you can choose according to your preference. For now, I choose this one and adjust it within the frame. Now let's add some text. Click on the text option. You can also add a text template from here, but for now I'm going to add a heading. After adding a heading, write the text one by one. After that, I want to add a rectangle behind the text, so I pick it from the elements and adjust it behind the text. Then, group them by pressing Ctrl+G and do the same with all the text. Next, add the Canva logo to the elements and adjust it to the frame. Then add an arrow from the elements. Flip the arrow horizontally from the flip option and adjust the arrow like this. Now, add some shadows. First, add a circle shadow behind the logo. Add shadows from the elements, adjust them, and also add a shadow at the bottom of the text. Honestly, I don't like this background, so I'm going to change it from the elements. This one looks good, so I'll also delete the blue light. After all the settings are done, if you want to change the fonts of the text, you can do so from the font option. This font looks perfect, so I'm going to apply it to each text element one by one. After that, our thumbnail is ready. That's how you can design thumbnails for YouTube on Canva. I hope you understand everything. Now, we're going to talk about a very important feature of Canva called Content Planner. Content Planner helps you manage your social media calendaring through Canva, and it's an amazing feature that makes content management very easy. Let's see how we can use this tool. First of all, you need the Canva Pro version to access this feature. This feature isn't available in the Canva free version, so you will need to purchase Canva Pro. On the left-hand side of Canva, you will see an Apps option. Click on it, and then scroll down to find the Content Planner option and click on it. Up until now, all the tools we used in our Canva course were free. But now, it's time to use some advanced tools. As you can see, we have this Content Planner, which allows us to plan our content calendar. This means we can decide when our content should be posted on which social media platform. This is a part of marketing automation. When you click on any date, you will see an interface where you can connect your Instagram and Facebook accounts on the right side. However, for now, I want to connect my Pinterest account. Click on the back button, and you will see every social media platform you can choose from. I chose Pinterest, so click on it, then click on the Connect Pinterest button and log in to your Pinterest account. You can also log into Pinterest using Facebook or Google. After logging in, you will see a button that says Give Access. Simply click on it. As you can see, our Pinterest account is now connected with Canva. Now, open the design you want to schedule. For example, I want to schedule this thumbnail, so simply click on Share. There is an option called Share on Social Media. Click on it, then choose the platform on which you want to schedule your post. I want Pinterest, so I choose this. You can also choose multiple social media platforms from here. After that, write your title and description. In this bar, you can add the link that you want to paste here. When you click on the calendar icon, you can choose the date and time for when you want to post this design on the platform. For now, I choose the date the 16th of July and the time 10 p.m. Then click on Schedule. Now go back to the home page and open your Content Planner. You can see our post is successfully scheduled, and you can also edit the date, time, title, and description from here. That's how you can schedule your posts from Canva on any social media platform. I hope you found these tips and tricks helpful and that you're excited to start creating your amazing designs. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and design tips. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover in future videos, let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, check out the complete Canva course playlist linked in the description box for more in-depth tutorials. See you in the next video.